Hello viewers, SniperWolf1001 here with another figure review, and today we're going to take a look at the Pokemon Center Midnight Form Lycanroc plush. Now this is going to be a little bit of a different video because I don't usually do plushies on this channel. I don't really collect plushies all that often either. This is actually the second plushie that I've ever collected, and the first Pokemon one that I've ever collected. But Midnight Form Lycanroc is probably one of my favorite Pokemon from the Alolan region, and as soon as I discovered this online, I just had to scoop it up and get it. So in this video, I'm just gonna really just give my impressions of this. It shouldn't be too long of a video, but just taking a look at the plushie here. I'm honestly really impressed with how this plushie looks. The one thing that I noticed with a lot of plushies out there is they tend to kind of redesign whatever they're covering a little bit, like they kind of try to make it more cutesy. The thing that I like about the Pokemon Center plushies is that they don't really stray too far away from whatever the topic matter is that they're replicating. So taking a look at this Lycanroc is actually pretty accurate to the video game. I really like the way that it looks, especially on the face here. Like just taking a look at the face, like the eyes and the mouth and everything are embroidered. I love the reds that they use in the eye here. Looks very nice. It's very bright. Of course, like they captured like Lycanroc's unique eye design from the series too, where he has those black lines, like additional black lines going through it, which is pretty cool. Even down to the teeth, you can see like all those lines, the stitching and stuff. Going up to kind of simulate that, which is pretty cool. He has kind of floppy ears here, which you know, these look nice as well too. I've always loved this design from Lycanroc, where he kind of has like the forward swept hair, but then I think this is supposed to be like a rocky, textured part of the hair here, the little brown piece here. Looks pretty cool. Of course, you can move the hair to anywhere you really want it. Kind of have it covering down over the other eye here, but again, the nose embroidered as well here too, looking really nice there. Looking at the back, of course, they covered all of the big spikes that Lycanroc kind of has on the back. If you just take a look here, we have all like these two smaller spikes here, and this entire white spike structure here, which looks really good. Of course, they're very soft. There's a lot of space back here too, so you can actually see where the hair kind of comes out and then kind of flows over to the front of the face. Of course, there's this little top piece right here, of course, and then you have like the additional parts that come out of the side, which look really good. Down to the chest, I like the two little spikes that we have here, and then of course like the part where the kind of the spikes on the back kind of grapple onto his stomach area, which again look really good. Of course, they accurately recreated Lycanroc's really lanky, super long arms, which is pretty cool. Using like a felt material for the claws. Looking down to the legs here, of course they have the nice design where, you know, you have like the red that kind of cuts down into the white part of the leg here. At the bottom of the paw, they kind of have the paw pads here, with that bright red embroidered there, just like with the eyes as well too, which is really nice. And of course the little tail here as well too. It's a really nice looking plushie, honestly, and pretty sizable too. This thing sits at about like 12 inches tall, which is honestly like I really like the size of this plush. It's captured very nicely. Like I think they did a really good job recreating Lycanroc here in plushie form. Looks really good. Love the embroidered spots on it. Like the hair and everything looking really nice. Honestly, like this is probably my favorite plush to collect. But yeah, like if you guys are really into, if any of you guys are into Pokemon plushies and want a good source to get them, check out Pokemon Center, PokemonCenter.com. They have a lot of really cool plushies up there. I think they also have like Ditto versions of other Pokemon as well too, if you're really into that aesthetic. But yeah, like this, I'm pretty happy with getting this Lycanroc. It's a really nice looking plushie to have, along with the other figures and stuff that I have in my room. I might collect some more plushies down the line, but I think for now I'm pretty satisfied with Lycanroc. They also, for fans of the other versions of Lycanroc, they also have the other versions there too. Like, they have the midday form and they have the dusk form of Lycanroc if you want to collect those as well too. So for sure, this is definitely, like, if you guys want, like, if you guys are looking for like Pokemon plushies, especially if you're looking for Lycanroc, this is definitely a very, very good purchase. I definitely recommend it. It's a very nice looking plushie, pretty sizable too, and you know, very good quality. But with that, that's pretty much going to draw this video to a close. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys found it informative. And like always, there's going to be more figure reviews and unboxings coming in the future. But for now, I'm going to call it the end here. And I hope you guys have an amazing holiday season. And have a good night or a good day depending on where you are.